wireless pool thermometer, and this gives you the option to monitor your temperature without having to go to the pool. So for anyone that has a pool that doesn't have the capability to monitor the pool from within your household, this system is for you.
The thermometer came in a reasonably sized package with all the goodies packed inside of it. When we opened it up, the first thing that caught our eyes was the user manual, containing all the necessary information regarding the installation and functionalities. Next up was the thermometer itself. We have to admit, it looked a bit funny at first. But hey, who cares about looks when it comes to functionality, right? It took us a bit of effort to get it out of the packaging, but we eventually managed to free it. Finally, we found the large screen indoor monitor, which was the cherry on top. We were really excited to see how it worked and couldn't wait to try it out. Setting it up was pretty simple. The first step was to pop in the batteries, which were included in the package. We needed to install batteries in both the thermometer and the indoor monitor. To install the batteries in the thermometer, we had to give it a twist to open it up and then plug in the batteries before twisting it again to seal it. Once the batteries were installed, the screen turned on automatically.
The pool thermometer will connect with the indoor monitor quickly and easily. It will only take a few seconds.
Now, there is a button on the inside. If you guys can see it, it's right here. So the TXCF button has two basic functions. So first one, if you press and hold, what it'll do is switch it from Fahrenheit to Celsius or vice versa. So pressing and holding for 5 seconds, you can see that it switches. Let's do that again. All right, you can see it switches to Celsius and switch back to Fahrenheit. The other function is if you press it once, it will transmit the temperature and humidity monitor and light up the indicator once. So press it once. See, the indicator goes on and it basically sends the temperature there. So that's pretty straightforward. So the green ring around it is glow in the dark, and also it is a gasket, so this should remain on the device at all times, guys.
Once the batteries were installed, the screen turned on automatically. Honestly, we were impressed by the large screen, which displayed both the indoor temperature and humidity, as well as the outdoor pool temperature at the same time. There is also a battery indicator that informed us about the charging status. 3 buttons located at the top allowed us to switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit selections, showing the minimum and maximum temp values, and helped us pair it with the pool thermometer.
The INKBIRD floating pool thermometer set features an advanced IPX7 waterproof body with a heavy-duty silicone sealing ring, making it more waterproof and impact resistant. This means that you can use it in any weather condition, and it will continue to function perfectly. It is also more protected, ensuring that it lasts longer. The indoor monitor included in the set has a large screen that displays both the indoor temperature and humidity, as well as the outdoor pool temperature at the same time. This feature allows you to check all the important readings at a glance without having to switch between different screens. This monitor makes it easy for you to customize your settings with features like checking your battery life, finding the max and min values, and choosing between Celsius and Fahrenheit. This wireless thermometer set can support long-distance connections up to 300 feet, making it stable and reliable. One of the standout features of this pool thermometer is its high-precision sensor, which is accurate to within 1 degree Celsius and 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. It updates data every 10 seconds, allowing you to know the current water temperature in the swimming pool or hot tub without leaving your home. This feature is especially useful during hot summer days when you want to ensure that your pool or hot tub is at the perfect temperature.
One of the first things we noticed was how seamlessly it floated on the pool tub, without causing any splashing or disturbance. We also loved the real-time temperature reading on the wireless receiver display. The 300 feet wireless range was pretty impressive, as we didn't trip over wires while getting in or out of the pool.
The floating thermometer doesn't mind the bubbles and turning of the water. The silicone ring keeps it waterproof and protected, and it also glows in the dark. It makes it easy to find when the sun is down or the lights are out.
All right, so you can see it is glowing in the dark, which looks a little bit makes it even better. All right, so pretty cool again. So just looking at it from your house, you should be able to see that this is actually in the pool or its location. And just to give you a frame of reference how far the transmitter is from the actual receiver, this is downstairs in the pool obviously, but we're gonna be upstairs in the back area of the house, so about 2 rooms over, and it's gonna be upstairs.
It's easy to install, easy to use, and suitable for swimming pools, hot tubs, hot springs, small ponds, aquariums, and more.
It does have the temperature right on the device itself, and it'll just float in your pool. So the reasons I like this, like if you're waiting for the sun to heat up your pool, you want to jump in as soon as it hits 80 degrees, guess what? All you have to do is check the device in your house. Again, it can be 300 feet away. It's not going to interfere with your other electronic devices, that's nice, and there's no painful setup. Just put the batteries in and it's already good to go. I can look at this right now. I'm going to switch it to Fahrenheit. I can see I'm at 97.1 degrees Fahrenheit in the pool and 73.5 degrees at the device.
All right, let's go drop this in my pool. Just gonna drop it in right here. I'm gonna tie it off on where my little thing is with my chlorine in it for now, because I have another thermometer on this, so I want to see how much they match. All right, so far, I definitely think this thing is pretty cool. I can sit here on my recliner, drink me some coffee, and check out the temperature of my pool and see if I want to go swimming. Well, right now it is 70 degrees in here, 43% humidity. My pool temperature is 48. So my educated guess is I'm not going swimming yet. Still saying 48 degrees Fahrenheit. And we'll see what this says, if you can see that. And that's saying really close to the same, 48 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right, so we have the thermometer in the hot tub now, and as you can see, this is reading 100 degrees Fahrenheit in the water, right here indicated by that little symbol there telling me that's the temperature from the actual thermometer, and this is the temperature outside. Well, it would be inside if I had this inside, but that's the temperature there, as well as the humidity rating. Also, this little unit can communicate with up to 8 different thermometers. So if you've got multiple bodies of water and multiple thermometers, you only really need one LCD screen, and you can change the channels up here to display the temperatures from each of those, and it would also tell you how many you have right here. As you can see, I only have one, so it has a little symbol and then it says 1. And you can see my water temperature is going down because it's uncovered and it's pretty cold out here. But one other useful thing about this is the accuracy. So this is actually more accurate than your pump. And if you look right here, I don't know if you guys can see that. My pump says it's 102, or that's the water temperature. However, this is way more accurate. This is actually sitting in the water, and my water temperature is really at 99 degrees. So I trust this more than I do that. So I will have to set this a little bit higher now that I know that it is slightly inaccurate.
Finally, we wanted to test out the durability of the thermometer, so we dropped it in the pool from a height. And to our delight, it floated like a champ without taking any damage.
Some of the features of this guy that I absolutely love. One, super simple to set up, which I've said a couple of times. Super affordable. I mean, $40 and you have a digital display for your hot tub inside the house. I mean, when I'm shooting this video today, it's snowing like crazy. Here, check out this video here. And there it is inside. It's snowing like crazy, and I can actually just look in here and on this display here, and I can know that my hot tub's at 204 degrees. And you don't have to have a big fancy hot tub to do this. You can put this in any hot tub that's out there. And the the display is at full battery as well. So both of those are at full battery, and it's been about a month that I've actually had it in my hot tub. So it works. It's not sucking up the battery life. It's so simple. And if I can explain, I've again tested tons of water monitors, and they're hard to get connected via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and all of that. And this is simple, super simple. Anybody can do it, and you just literally put the batteries in, you hook it, you connect the two, and throw it in the hot tub, and you're good to go. Quiet, reliable. It's reliable. There's no fancy gadgetry, nothing that you have to worry about programming going down. I highly recommend this. This has been one of the products that has exceeded my expectations.
Overall, we highly recommend the INKBIRD floating pool thermometer to anyone who's looking for a reliable and efficient way to keep track of their pool temperature. It's durable, accurate, and has some great features that make it stand out from the rest.
This floating pool thermometer is suitable for swimming pools, fish ponds, hot tubs, aquariums, bathtubs, mermaid tanks, and so much more. Every swimming pool should have this floating pool thermometer. It's always nice to know what your pool temperature is before you get in.